This is the XDS test channel from Westwood One Technical Operations Center in Purchase, New York.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Coweta, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The extended forecast for the This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Western Plumas. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. Plateau of California, including Alturas today, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain and snow showers in the morning, then a slight chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Highs 45 to 55. Southwest winds up to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows 32 to 40. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour, shifting to the south up to 10 miles an hour after midnight. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Thursday.
Sweet. All the radios activated. I want to put this back to channel 7. There we go.
A chance of rain until midnight.
That's that. So yeah, how about that? Perfect activation. Let's see. The first time I forgot to put it to voice. I had it set to display, but it still went off. Now let's see if it's gonna do the no message glitch. Oh, it actually didn't. First time it did. Interesting. But yeah, the first time it did the no message glitch. Sangene activated. Obviously the 996 activated with the strobe light that's hooked up. .519 activated. This one activated. And this one activated.